Let us see example 2. Solve the given equations using elimination method. 2x plus y is equals to 8. Let's name it equation 1. And x minus 2y is equals to minus 1. Let's name it equation 2. So in the previous question, we have seen that x and x were same. Both coefficient were same. Y and y were same with a different sign, and their coefficient were same. But in this question, what is there? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? In equation 1 we have 2x, and equation 2 we have x only. In the same way, in equation 1 we have y, but in equation 2 we have minus 2y. Means this we should have a 2 here also, then only they both will be equal, and then by adding or subtracting them we can remove or we can eliminate x. In the same way, we should have a minus 2 here, then only we can add or subtract them and we can eliminate them. So to make them equal, what we can do, we will multiply equation 2 by 2. So you can see here x minus 2y is equals to minus 1, and this is been multiplied by 2. इसे 2 से multiply करते हैं, so we will get 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 2. Okay, now name it equation 3. So our coefficient of x has become same. We have 2x and 2x. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 1. So you will write here 2x plus y is equals to 8, and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 2. Now we'll subtract it. So here it is plus 2x, it will become minus 2x. Negative 4y will become positive 4y. Negative 2 will become positive 2. So 2x minus 2x will give you 0. Plus y and plus 4y will give you plus 5y. And 8 plus 2 will give you 10. So here you have 5y is equals to 10. अब y की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमें 5 को ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा. So it will become 10 by 5 and that will be 2. So we have got value of y equals to 2. Now put this value in any of the equation. Suppose we will take equation 1. So 2x plus 2 is equals to 8. 2x is equals to 8 minus 2. 2x is equals to 6. And from here you will get value of x is equals to 3. So we have got the answers that are x equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Let us see example 3. Solve the given equations using elimination method. 2x minus 3y equals to minus 2. Name it equation 1. 3x minus 2y equals to 12. Name it equation 2. Now you can see here neither the coefficient of x nor the coefficient of y are equal. So it is up to you to decide which variable you have to remove, which variable you want to eliminate. So if I am going to eliminate x, then what I have to do to make them equal? you can take LCM of 2 and 3. If I am going to remove x, then take LCM of 2 and 3. So what you will get? The LCM is 3 to the 6. So in 2, in equation 1, you have to multiply 3, and in equation 2, you have to multiply 2. Or just you can, if you don't want to take the LCM, अगर आप LCM नहीं लेना चाहते तो आप सीधे सीधे जो इक्वेशन 2 में x का कोफिशिएंट है उसे इक्वेशन 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और जो आपके पास इक्वेशन 1 में कोफिशिएंट है x का उसे आप इक्वेशन 2 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो हियर मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So it means you will multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So when you will multiply, what you will get? You will get 6x minus 9y is equals to minus 6, and here also 6x minus 4y is equals to 24. Now you can see 6x and 6x both are equal. So to remove x, we will subtract them. So it is plus 6x, it will become minus 6x, minus 4y will become plus 4y, and positive 24 will become negative 24. 6x minus 6x will give you 0. Negative 9y, positive 4y, 9 minus 4 means it is minus 9 plus 4, that will give you minus 5y. Minus 6 and minus 24 both are negative, so we will add them, that will give you minus 30. So value of y will be minus 30 upon minus 5. Minus and minus get cancelled, and 5 6 are 30. So value of y is 6. Now to get the value of x, put y equals to 6 in any of the equation. Let us take equation 2. So you will get 3x minus 2 into 6 is equals to 12. 3x minus 12 is equals to 12. 3x is equals to 12 plus 12. when you will transfer 12 that side, उस तरफ right hand side transfer करेंगे तो 12 plus 12, 3x is equals to 24, and x will be 24 upon 3, that is 8. So x is equals to 8. So whenever you want to make the coefficients equal, either you can take the LCM of that coefficients, or just by looking at the equation, like in this question we had multiplied 3 that we have got from equation 2, and we have multiplied 2 that we have got from equation 1. In this way you can solve it very easily. एलिमिनेशन मेथड का चौथा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. एग्जांपल 4, सॉल्व द गिवन इक्वेशंस यूजिंग एलिमिनेशन मेथड. सो हियर 3x minus 4y is equals to 18. इसे दे देते हैं नाम इक्वेशन 1. 5x plus 2y is equals to 14. इसे दे देते हैं नाम इक्वेशन 2. अब अगर यहाँ हमें y को रिमूव करना है, if we want to eliminate y, then you can see in equation 2 we have coefficient as 2. So you will multiply equation 1 by 2, and in equation 1 the coefficient of y is minus 4, so we will multiply equation 2 by minus 4. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by -4. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा? 3 2 जा, you will have 6x minus 8y is equals to 18 2 ja 36, and here minus 20x minus 8y equals to minus of 56. Now you can see minus 8y and minus 8y means both are same, and when both the quantities are same, to get 0 what you have to do, you have to subtract them. तो यहाँ हम subtract करते हैं. So subtract करेंगे तो नेगेटिव 20x का बन जाएगा पॉजिटिव 20x, नेगेटिव 8y का हो जाएगा प्लस 8y, एंड नेगेटिव 56 का हो जाएगा प्लस 56. So this will give you 6 plus 20x will give you 26x, minus 8y plus 8y will give you 0, and 36 plus 56 will give you 92. So here you have 26x is equals to 92. So x will be equals to 92 by 26. The greatest common factor of both the terms, that are numerator and denominator, is 2 only. So here you will get 46 upon 13. So you have got value of x as 46 upon 13. Now to get the value of y, put the value of x in any of the equation. So put x equals to 46 by 13 in equation 2. So you will have 5 into 46 by 13 plus 2y is equals to 14. Multiply it. So what you will get? You will get 230 upon 13 plus 2y is equals to 14. To get the value of the unknown, let's put unknown in the left hand side और बाकी चीज़ों को राइट हैंड साइड ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. तो हमको मिल जाएगा 2y is equals to 14 minus 230 by 13. So from here what you have to do, you have to take LCM of 1 and 13. You will get 2y is equals to 13. Do the cross multiplication. 182 minus 230. So you will perform this operation and you will get the value as 2y is equals to 48 by 13. Here 2 is multiplying, so we will transfer it. उसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो 48 by 13 into 2. When you will cancel it out, 2 1 ja and 2 24s are. So this will be value of y is 24 by 13. So in this way you can get the value of x and y.
अभी तक हमने देखा that we can solve linear equation in two variable, that system of equations, by graphical method, substitution method and the elimination method. ग्राफिकल मेथड से हम ये देख सकते हैं कि जब दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं तो उनमें यूनिक सॉल्यूशन है. जब दो लाइन पैरेलल है तो नो सॉल्यूशन है, और जब दो लाइंस कोइंसिडेंट है एट दैट टाइम वी हैव इनफिनाइट नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. सो डू यू थिंक कि आप दोनों इक्वेशंस को देखकर यह बता सकते हैं कि उसका सॉल्यूशन किस टाइप का है? व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ सॉल्यूशन जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट द सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस? Yes, it is possible. Just by looking at the system of equations, you can tell which type of solution it holds. उसके पास कौन से टाइप का solution है. For that, we need the relation between the coefficients of the equation. So, for that, let us see here. Suppose we have two equations, a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. So here you can see that relation between the coefficients is given to you and the type of solution is given to you and the graph representation is also given to you. So पहला देखते हैं, when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, at that time we have unique solution and the graph will have intersecting lines. Second, when a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but it is not equal to c1 upon c2, at that time we have no solution and the graph will have parallel lines. Thirdly, we have a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. At that time we have infinite solution and the graph will be coincident lines. So just by looking at that equations you can tell which type of solution it holds. इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हम बोर्ड पे देखेंगे और साथ ही ये भी देखेंगे कि इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है. इससे हम अननोन वेरिएबल, अननोन कांस्टेंट को निकाल सकते हैं, उसको भी हम बोर्ड पे देखते हैं.
Okay, so let us see this question. Find the value of k for which the given equation, given system of equations have unique solution. Kx plus 3y is equals to k minus 3 and 12x plus ky is equals to k. So first of all, what you will do, you will compare the given equation with given equations with a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. सो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, a1 की वैल्यू मिलेगी k, b1 की वैल्यू मिलेगी 3, c1 की वैल्यू मिलेगी k माइनस 3, a2 की वैल्यू मिलेगी 12, b2 की वैल्यू मिलेगी k और c2 की वैल्यू मिलेगी k. अब आपको यूनिक सॉल्यूशन का कंडीशन पता होना चाहिए. कंडीशन फॉर यूनिक सॉल्यूशन that is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. तो सारी वैल्यूज़ को यहाँ पुट कर देते हैं. k अपॉन 12 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन k. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, सो k स्क्वायर विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू 12 3 जा 36. अब स्क्वायर को ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं, सो k इज नॉट इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस रूट ओवर 36. सो k विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 6. इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि k की क्या वैल्यू मिली हमें. k सारी वैल्यूज़ ले सकता है, बस प्लस माइनस वैल्यू प्लस माइनस 6 कभी नहीं लेगा. अगर k की वैल्यू प्लस माइनस 6 आ जाएगी तो इस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन का जो सॉल्यूशन है वो कभी भी यूनिक नहीं होगा. Let us see another question that is related to the infinite solution. So here you have to find out the value of k. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7, k minus 1x plus k plus 2y equals to 3k. Again, you will compare these equations. Compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. सो यहाँ से आपको वैल्यूज़ मिल जाएगी a1 a2 की और b1 b2 की, c1 c2 की. सो a1 की वैल्यू मिलेगी आपको 2, b1 की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 3, c1 की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 7. इन द सेम वे a2 की वैल्यू मिलेगी k माइनस 1, b2 की वैल्यू मिलेगी k प्लस 2 और c2 की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 3k. ओके, आपको ध्यान रखना है कभी भी वेरिएबल नहीं लेंगे, एक्स वाई कभी भी a1 a2 के साथ नहीं आएगा. नाउ यू हैव द कंडीशन फॉर इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन. आपको कंडीशन पता है. कंडीशन फॉर infinite solution so that is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2। आपको ये भी पता है इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन कब आता है, जब दो लाइंस एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप करती हैं, कोइंसिडेंट लाइंस होती हैं। तो यहाँ पर सारी वैल्यूज को पुट करेंगे, 2 अपॉन के माइनस 1, 3 अपॉन के प्लस 2 एंड 7 अपॉन 3k। अब आप कोई भी दो पेयर्स को ले सकते हैं, कोई भी पेयर को ले सकते हैं। तो इजी ये पड़ेगा जहाँ पे के अकेला है, तो मैं इसे लेकर चलता हूँ। सो इन पेयर्स को लेते हैं और इनको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। सो 3 इंटू 3 विल गिव यू 9k एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 7k प्लस 14। सो k वाले टर्म्स को एक तरफ ले आते हैं। सो दिस बिकम्स 2k इज इक्वल्स टू 14। तो k की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 14 अपॉन 2 एंड दैट इज 7। सो योर वैल्यू ऑफ k विल बी 7। Now let us see the question related to the no solution. So here you have 8x plus 5y equals to 9 and kx plus 10y is equals to 15. So again you will compare this with the standard equations. Compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a2x plus b2y is equals to c2। सो यहाँ से आपको वैल्यूज मिल जाएंगी। a1 इज इक्वल्स टू 8, b1 इक्वल्स टू 5, c1 इक्वल्स टू 9 एंड a2 इक्वल्स टू k, b2 इक्वल्स टू 10 and c2 equals to 15। okay, so now you know condition for no solution। a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2। पुट कर देते हैं सारी वैल्यूज को। 8 अपॉन k इक्वल्स टू 5 अपॉन 10 एंड इट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 9 अपॉन 15। इस पेयर को लेकर चलते हैं। सो यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सो यू विल हैव 80 इज इक्वल्स टू 5k। now transfer 5 this side, so you will have 80 upon 5 is equals to k and that will give you 16 is equals to k। तो यहाँ से आपको मिल गई k की वैल्यू 16। now let us see some word problems related to linear equation in two variables। so here the example is the product of two numbers is 45 and the sum is 14, find the numbers। तो यहाँ आपको दो ऐसे नंबर्स सोचने पड़ेंगे जिनका प्रोडक्ट 45 हो और जिनका सम 14 हो। सो व्हाट वी विल राइट हियर, वी विल स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन विथ लेट द फर्स्ट नंबर बी x and the second number be y। so according to question, product is 45, so this both the numbers x multiplied by y is equals to 45, let it be equation 1 and their sum is 14, so x plus y is equals to 14, let it be equation 2। now from any of the equation you can take the value of x or y in terms of y and x। so here I am taking equation 2, take equation 2. So from here you can get value of y as 14 minus x. Name it equation 3. Put y is equals to 14 minus x in first equation, that is equation 1. So you will get x into 14 minus x is equals to 45. मल्टीप्लाई इट, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 14 इंटू एक्स इज 14x, x इंटू एक्स इज एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 45. And also transfer all the terms to the right hand side. So in the left hand side you will have 0 is equals to 45 plus x square minus 14x. So we can write it as x square minus 14x plus 45 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, so it will have two answers, and you can solve it by either by middle term splitting, or you can use here Sridhar Acharya method, or we can call it as a formula method. So what you have to think here, if I am solving it by middle term splitting, then what you have to think, just factorize 45. You will factorize 45, 1 into 45, or you can have 3 into 15, or you can have 5 into 9. So you can see here only this pair satisfies the condition for the middle term splitting. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग के लिए जो कंडीशन चाहिए वो ये ही नंबर्स आपको सेटिस्फाई करने हैं, क्योंकि 5 प्लस 9 विल गिव यू 14 and 5 into 9 will give you 45. So we will use this. So you will have x square minus 5x minus 9x, because minus 5 and minus 9 will give you minus 14, and minus 5 into minus 9 will give you 45. Plus 45 equals to 0. From here x is common, यहाँ से x common है, x common लेते हैं, x minus 5 minus यहाँ से minus 9 common हो जाएगा, x minus 5 equals to 0. So you will have x minus 5 as common into x minus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 5 equals to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. Whenever two numbers are multiplying and their product is 0, then either of the number is 0 or both are 0. So therefore we are taking x minus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equals to 0. So from here x is equals to 5 or x is equals to 9. As this is a quadratic equation, therefore we have got here two values. Now to get the value of y, we will put value of x in equation 3. So in equation 3, that is y equals to 14 minus x. If x is equals to 5, then y will be equals to 14 minus 5, that is 9. And if x is equals to 9, y is equals to 14 minus 9, that is 5. So you can see that when x is equals to 5, then y is equals to 9, and when x equals to 9, then y is equals to 5. So these are our two numbers that are satisfying the given condition that the product of the numbers 5 and 9 is 45, and their sum 5 plus 9 is 14. You can also check it by putting it in equation 1 and equation 2. Let's see this example. A person owns some pigeons and some cows. The number of legs of these animals is 180 and the total number of eyes is 120. How many cows and pigeons does the person own? So again we will start with let the number of pigeons be X and then the number of cows be Y. Now according to question, it is given that number of legs of this animal. So just think of how many legs pigeon has. Pigeon has 2 legs. So one pigeon has 2 legs. So X pigeon will have 2x legs. So the number of legs of the pigeon will be 2x. And in the same way, one cow has 4 legs. So Y cow will have 4y legs. And the total number of legs is given to us is 180. So we will add the number of legs of pigeon and the number of legs of cow. दोनों के number of legs को add करेंगे और हमें मिलेगा 180, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में 180 दिया है. इसे हम इक्वेशन 1 मान लेते हैं. And it is given that the total number of eyes is 120. So the number of eyes of a pigeon is 2. So one pigeon will have 2 eyes. So X pigeon will have 2x eyes. In the same way, one cow will have 2 eyes and Y cow will have 2y eyes. And the total number of eyes is given to you 120. Now you have two equations. You can solve it by any of the method. Either you can use graphical method, or you can use substitution method, or you can use elimination method. So I am solving it by elimination method. So you can see here we have 2x and 2x. So it will be very easy to solve it by subtracting. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So 2x plus 4y equal to 180. 2x plus 2y is equals to 120, and you will subtract it. 2x and 2x get cancelled. You will be left with 0. आपके पास 0 बचेगा. 4 minus 2y आपके पास बचेगा 2y, and 180 minus 120 you will be left with 60. So you have 2y is equals to 60. So y will be equals to 60 upon 2, that is 30. So y is equals to 30. That means the number of cows is 30. Okay. Now put y equals to 30 in any of the equation. Let's say take equation 2. So 2x plus 2 into 30 is equals to 120. 2x plus 60 is equals to 120. 2x will be 120 minus 60. 2x is equals to 60. X will be equals to again 60 by 2, that is 30. So x is equals to 30. That means the number of pigeons is 30. The number of pigeons is x, and x is equals to 30. So the number of pigeons is 30 and the number of cows is also 30. So in this way you can use the elimination method to solve the word problems also.
So students, in this chapter we studied about linear equation in two variables, the method of solution of linear equation in two variables. Namely, we studied about the graphical method, the substitution method, and the elimination method. We also studied about the types of solution of the system of equation, and that types are unique solution, no solution, and infinite solution. So I hope this lecture is helpful for you. Thank you.